lovely people, how una dey? I hope so una dey fine. Me too, I dey fine. In today's video, I wan show una how I take make this hairstyle. So I don section her hair. I will use hair cream to smooth the hair like that before I'll start to unroll the hair. So I section small one now. I add small attachment because her hair na curly hair na she get. So I add small attachment to start am. If your hair not be curly hair, you don't need attachment. You will just start the hair like that. So I'll braid am small now. I know braid and finish. Now this hair now I use. This one I crochet. So I take one. I use crochet needle. I'll softly drag the hair come out. So I'll pass the hair like that. Now see, because I want to make the front be like say na braid, na individual crochet. Now it make me do one like that. So I go unroll that one now. I just unroll and go back. Now so I go take do all the front. I just unroll the hair reach back. So now see as I dey take dey unroll the hair. I'll go and reach the other side. Because if you make the cornrow like this for the back, it will protect her hair. Her hair no go pull. It will protect her. And make me dey do one like that. So I don't braid the hair reach back now. I will start another one. I will use small attachment tape. Start on. I will still braid them small. I'll use crochet needle now. Use until bring the hair out. So if you drag the hair come out, I'll pull the tip of the hair now. I'll bring and come out like that. So that one now will come corona. Go back. And now see as the front be. So I already add extra hair because of her hair. So they start another one now. Me for the show now where. You braid them small. You still use crochet needle. So if you pull the hair, you drag the hair come out. You use and take hold on. So I'll come roll that one and go back. I see as it be, I don't see as the hair fine. So I don't crochet the back now. The remaining one, I saw I'll take crochet all. You put crochet needle, like say you bring and come down. You put the hair, you close and so you drag the hair come out. So I'll continue on the same thing till I reach the front. I don't crochet the hair finish now. My lovely people, I appreciate all of una when they take una time till they support me. I appreciate. I bet if you never subscribe, make subscribe to my YouTube channel. I go see you now for my next video. Bye.